Hey everyone, welcome to Digit.in. Today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone XR. So once you take the top off, you of course get this little paper packet which has a bunch of leaflets and some Apple stickers. So this is essentially pretty standard for any iPhone. Let's just put that to the side. There's of course the iPhone itself. Now ours is the black color unit and there's multiple colors available. The iPhone XR is available in shades like coral, yellow. There's also the product red color. So the black color itself is actually pretty gorgeous. So let's just go ahead and put that to the side. And so while the iPhone supports fast charging, inside the box you actually get a standard 10-watt charger. This is a USB type A kind of charger with 10 watts of output. So this is one thing. Then besides that, you also have earpods. Now these connect to the phone via the lightning connector. Unfortunately, there is no lightning to 3.5mm converter, which is pretty sad, but that's alright. Lastly, there's of course also the lightning cable. And this lightning cable supports regular 10-watt charging only, will not support fast charging. In order to get fast charging on the iPhone XR, you will need to use a type C to lightning cable and pair it up with a USB PD supported type C charger from Apple. So on the front you have a 6.1-inch display. It's pretty gorgeous. The frame, matte metal frame, and the color of the frame actually matches the back completely 1-to-1. And it's not the glass that's colored, it's actually there's a layer underneath the glass, 7-layer paint process. So that is that. With the iPhone XR, what you get is a great display, 6.1 inches. You get a Face ID hardware in the front, which is pretty awesome, and it's also capable of shooting photos in portrait mode. The 12 megapixel camera on the back is also capable of shooting in portrait mode, but only for humans. So that's pretty much everything that the iPhone XR has to offer. In the box you get a standard 10-watt charger, earpods, and a charging cable along with a bunch of stickers and a SIM removal tool. So thank you guys for watching this video, and hopefully it's been informative enough for you to make your purchase decisions. I will see you in the next one.